Hello everyone. In this video, I am explaining the midpoint of chapter 8 of class 9th. Statement: the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. Let us take a triangle ABC. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. इसको हम गिवन में लिखेंगे. Let us take a triangle ABC in which D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. To prove DE is parallel to BC and DE is equal to 1/2 BC. To prove the above statement, we need construction. Through C, draw a line parallel to BA and produce DE to F. Through C, draw a line parallel to BA and produced DE to F. Proof. Let us take two triangles, triangle AED and triangle CEF. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angle. AE is equal to CE. E is the midpoint of AC. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. BA parallel CF cut by a transversal AC alternate interior angles. By ASA rule, triangle AED congruent triangle CEF by CPCT AD is equal to CF and DE is equal to EF. AD is equal to BD because D is the midpoint of AB. AD is equal to CF, proved above. Therefore, BD is equal to CF and BD is parallel to CF. If one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Therefore, BCFD is a parallelogram. DF parallel BC, which implies DE is parallel to BC. DF is equal to BC. DE plus EF is equal to BC. DE plus DE is equal to BC because DE is equal to EF. 2DE is equal to BC. DE is equal to 1/2 BC. Hence proved. Okay.